Hey there! In this video, you're gonna learn some pretty cool and interesting things you might not have known before. Enjoy, and here we go. The discovery of antibiotics, beginning with penicillin in 1928 by Alexander Fleming, revolutionized medicine by providing effective treatments for bacterial infections. Before the discovery, many people suffering from severe bacterial infections, including music composer Gustav Mahler, may have lived longer had antibiotics been discovered sooner. In science, a light year, not Buzz Lightyear, is a unit of distance, not time. It represents the distance that light travels in 1 year, which is almost 6 trillion miles. Despite being the coldest place on Earth, Antarctica is quite actually a desert. Surprised? It receives less than 200 millimeters of precipitation annually, mostly in the form of snow. Located in Arizona, the Antelope Canyon is renowned for its wave-like structure and the light beams that shine down into the openings, creating a mesmerizing and ethereal effect. If you love scenic nature, this is a must-visit place. The incredible Taj Mahal in India. This white marble mausoleum in Agra was commissioned in 1632 by the Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan in memory of his beloved wife, Mumtaz Mahal. It's a UNESCO World Heritage Site and one of the new 7 wonders of the world. Since the 1992 discovery of the first exoplanet, a planet that exists outside of our solar system, thousands of planets orbiting stars have been identified with diverse characteristics and environments.
If you require saffron for a cooking recipe and you're on a tight budget, better think again. Saffron is the most expensive spice in the world, ranging from $500 to $5,000 per pound. Chickens, believe it or not, vastly outnumber humans on Earth. Really, with poultry being such a common food staple in so many countries, there are an estimated 25 billion chickens alive and clucking worldwide. If you paid attention in astronomy class, you may already know this. Astronomers say that the moon was once a piece of the Earth. Theory has it that the Earth was struck by a giant object during its formation, breaking off a large chunk of Earth, creating our moon. John Wayne, arguably Hollywood's most famous cowboy, didn't like riding horseback. He learned to ride young and did so frequently that by the time he started making movies, he was already fed up with it. True story. During the colonial era, around the 17th and 18th centuries, lobsters were so plentiful and abundant that they were often considered poor man's food. They were even served to prisoners. Quite a change from today's standards. The planet Jupiter may be a failed star. It is composed of hydrogen and helium, the same elements as the Sun. However, Jupiter isn't large enough to start nuclear fusion and generate its own energy. If it was around 80 times bigger than it is now, it would likely become a star with low mass.
The most expensive musical instrument sold for $15.9 million. In 2011, the Lady Blunt Stradivarius violin sold for a world record $15.9 million, which was 4 times the previous auction record for a Stradivarius. The world's first portable cell phone, the Motorola Dynatac 8000X, had a whopping price tag of $3,999 in 1983, and we complain of cell phone prices today. Believe it or not, polar bears have black skin, which helps them absorb the sun's heat to stay warm in an Arctic climate. It also helps protect the bears from harmful UV rays. Baritone Leonard Warren died on stage at the Met in 1960, just as he had finished singing Verdi's Morir tremenda così, or in English, To Die, a Momentous Thing. Isn't that ironic? The world's first video game console, the Magnavox Odyssey, was released in 1972 and could only play simple tennis games. Butterflies have taste receptors on their feet that help them determine if a leaf is suitable for laying eggs or if a flower contains nectar. Pretty cool stuff, huh? Thanks a bunch for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more.